facing the dreaded Bosch dishwasher, flashing brush symbol and red tap light. You need solutions now. This video gives you immediate, actionable steps to fix your Bosch dishwasher, flashing brush symbol and red tap light problem fast. First, let's tackle method 1, check your spray arms. Open the dishwasher, remove the lower rack and manually spin both spray arms. Feel for any resistance. Clear any visible food particles or debris, even using a toothpick for stubborn nozzle blockages. This ensures proper water distribution. If that first step doesn't clear the error, the issue often relates to water flow, which brings us to method 2. Clean the water inlet filter. Turn off your water supply, disconnect the inlet hose, and locate the small filter screen. Rinse it thoroughly under running water, removing any sediment or mineral buildup. Reinsert it correctly before reconnecting the hose and turning the water back on. Still seeing the error? Method 3 is a simple yet powerful power reset. Unplug your dishwasher for at least 5 minutes, then press and hold the power button for 30 seconds to discharge any residual electricity. Plug it back in, close the door firmly, and try starting a cycle. This often clears temporary electrical glitches. Finally, if the problem persists, method 4, inspect the drain pump. Disconnect power, remove the lower spray arm and filter assembly. Carefully inspect the drain area for any lodged debris or for foreign objects that could impede the pump's operation. Clear obstructions and check the impeller for damage before reassembling. One of these steps will get your Bosch dishwasher running perfectly again.